I hope that I'm not disappointed. Shut the fuck up. Good morning, everybody. It is actually not good morning, good afternoon. It's already a little bit after 1:30 p.m. and I have a lot to do today, and you guys are going to be coming along with me. And I love that for me because I'm really anxious right now. I have a lot to do. I'm very stressed out. I'm overwhelmed, to say the least. But we have to get shit done, and you guys are either going to help me or you guys are going to like, ¿cómo se dice? Like I said, I have a lot to do, and I feel like you guys are gonna keep me accountable to finish everything that I have to finish. I already went ahead and I did a few things. I got started with my morning because I couldn't find the freaking extra batteries that I was supposed to actually take on my trip, but I didn't. I only had one battery this whole trip with me for my camera, so I had to be like recharging it and stuff. But anyways, we came back from Mexico on Friday night, and actually no, I'm so stupid. We came back from Mexico yesterday. We got back to my sister's, and then from my sister's we had to drive about 45 minutes to my house. So we got home at like 9 p.m. No, not 9 p.m. Yeah, actually, it was around 9 p.m. yesterday. So right now I'm honestly starting to unpack because I'm going, like, my head is going from one side of the room to another side of the room and then to the kitchen, and like I want to get everything done, and I get very like, como se dice, like I'm jumping from thing to thing, and like that I'm never gonna finish. So I have to focus. I have a list that we have to conquer. I already did a few things around the house. I basically just did like little things. I had breakfast. I had an avocado toast. I didn't have iced coffee because I realized that I'm out of milk. So that being said, we have to go on a little grocery trip for probably just the next few weeks. I don't really like to shop too much for groceries because I've noticed that like things go bad if I don't cook anything. Like my veggies go bad pretty quickly, so I need to take that into accountability and not be spending you know, too much on groceries if they're just gonna go bad, you know. So I'm just gonna get a few of the things that we need for the next week and a half, and then I should be good. I also have to clean around the whole house because I didn't get to do as much cleaning as I would have wanted to before I left on my trip. So we have to sweep, mop, clean the bathroom. There's some cleaning supplies that I also need from the store. I need to ship out a Depop order. My first Depop order, I got it when I was on vacation, and it's about to be a week. I'm out of breath, you guys, because I have so much to do. I'm also drinking one of these emergency immune support supplement things because I feel like my nose is like sniffly, and I feel like that's the first indicator that like you're gonna get sick. So I'm just drinking that with iced water right now until I can get to my iced coffee, because your girl's gonna need it today, okay? But for now, some water. Me voy a dar una manita de gato, just like curl my lashes, do a little bit of like a serum on my face, something like that. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna find a list of the foods that I should be eating for the next week, because I'm gonna go on a week cleanse, is what I want to call it. I'm gonna be fasting for the next week, and I really want to make sure that my body has the nutrients and the foods that it needs to get through that week. Yo soy bien comelona, you guys, but after Mexico, I was so disappointed in myself because my clothes is not fitting the way that it should, or the way that I would want it to. And it's nothing to do with like that's a lie. It is something to do with like my physical appearance and the way that I look, but most importantly the way that I feel. I just feel very bloated. I feel very not myself. Like I said, I feel kind of disappointed in myself for, you know, because I know that I have not been eating, you know, as healthy as I can be. And obviously in Mexico, I was like, you know what? Voy a disfrutar this next week of vacation, and I'm not going to be like too hard on myself. But I really want to start, you know, being more accountable of the things that I'm putting into my body, and I thought that I could start that little segment of my life with like a little detox. I'm just gonna look up some recipes. I was watching a few videos too about this earlier today so that I can, you know, have the knowledge that I need to get through this week. But I need to be more disciplined, so I'm giving myself this week to fast. I pretty much already have a list of the groceries that I need. You guys, mi casa es un desmadre, but oh, and the freaking camera's all crooked. Let's try and straighten this out. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little OOTD before I leave. My freaking leggings that are suffocating me, but I'm just wearing this cute little waffle, like half sleeve crop top. It's like a light pink, it's super cute. These leggings from Amazon. Funny story about this cardigan, I stole it from my friend, and then eventually when her birthday came around, I like gifted her a new one because I was like, dude, I never meant to keep your cardigan, but like I love it, so I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna gift you a new one. So that's the story behind this cute little cardigan, and I always stretch it out because I feel like it's shrinking, but I've had this for over like 5 years, maybe even more. But then I'm just wearing some white socks with my, what are these? These are Birkenstocks, and I got those for my birthday from my brother. We're gonna head out. I've got my backpack, my phone, my headphones so that I can put those on while I'm at the store, and then this return that I have to make at Ross. We're not going anywhere near a Ross today, but I just want to keep it in my car for when I am around a Ross. I can just go in and return it, but let's go. Imagine I recorded like this. But my lashes look cute. Or bro, I'm so embarrassed. I am at Dutch, as you guys can see. I stopped for honestly, you guys, you guys are gonna be so proud of me. Like, I'm not playing when I'm talking about this diet, bro. So I ended up just skimming through the menu, and I ended up going for the iced protein milk, I think it is. Or no, it's a creamy vanilla iced protein latte. It sounded amazing to me, and like the fact that it has protein coffee just makes me feel like I'm not drinking something as shitty as like an iced kicker. I'm thinking it doesn't have as much sugar as like their other drinks, so I'm really excited to try it out. I know that it's not gonna be, like I said, what I normally get, but like, look at this papada. Like, a girl needs to make compromises, okay? Si quiero un cafecito, lo voy a agarrar, but let's make it a little bit healthier. And then I got it in a smaller size, which I typically get the 24 ounce, which I think is a medium size. So this time I got a small size, which you guys will see right now once I get up to the window and get my coffee. But I'm really excited. And then after this, we are gonna head to Walmart and get everything we need. I really want to be in and out, you guys, like very quickly, like snap. Thankfully, I already wiped down the fridge and I cleaned everything out that was like not good anymore. So we have that to look forward to, the fact that we don't have to clean it out. But yeah, let me get my Dutch.
Cream of vanilla protein.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. You too.
Thank you.
Wait, you guys, I parked up a little bit because I really want to try this on camera with you guys. So like I said, this is the creamy vanilla iced protein latte. It looks really comprometedor. Like, the color's nice. It looks pretty creamy to me, and it looks good. I hope that I'm not disappointed, because I really want something like an alternative for all the crappier drinks that I usually get. Shut the fuck up. Shut your ass up. Bro, this is actually good. So it has espresso, vanilla, and protein milk. Like I said, I knew that it wasn't going to taste the same as my other crappier drinks. But honestly, I can live with it. Everybody. I didn't pick you guys up yesterday. Yeah, I did. I'm such a liar. Yesterday was when I started this vlog. I'm literally... No me hagan caso, okay? Ando bien, like, out of it, clearly. But we're gonna put up our tree. Like, initially, I was supposed to do this with my mans, but he had to head out somewhere right now. And he was so bummed. But it was work related, so I'm gonna do it by myself. These ornaments are not mine. I literally borrowed them from my job, and now the tree at my job doesn't have ornaments because I'm borrowing them. Because I told my coworker, I was like, hey, like, all these ornaments are on sale at Target, like, I kind of want to go. And she was like, just borrow the ones from here. So I was like, bet, period. So that's what we're doing. And that's on saving money, okay? Porque ando bien gastada, okay? Like, that trip, it wasn't too expensive, but like, if I don't have to spend, I'm not gonna spend. And also because I feel like my aesthetic is gonna change throughout the years that I have my tree. So like, I don't want to commit myself to like any ornaments now, especially because no tengo, like, if I don't have to spend, I'm not gonna spend. Like, shut up. Today was my first day of my little fasting week that I'm doing. Honestly, you guys, do not take my advice on this. Like, this is just what I'm doing. This is what my sister has done, and she mentioned it to me, and now I'm trying it out. I'm not saying that you should do it. I'm not saying at all. But this is just what I'm doing, okay? Si me desmayo, si me desmayan, if you guys try out, it no es mi culpa, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. I ain't no doctor, okay? I've been drinking water the whole day. I ate in the or for lunchtime, I ate frijolitos de la olla, bomb. Le corté like chilito serrano and cebolla y luego poquito queso fresco. Even though my beans by themselves were fire because I put like just enough salt and they were like yummy. And then for dinner when I got home a little earlier, I had ceviche, which I'm sure the tostadas aren't like that healthy because it's a tortilla, but it is what it is. Like, I don't know, like it's not that serious either. So anyways, let's get to opening up our tree. I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna take down the pumpkins because it's not really giving pumpkin anymore. Like, it's already December. By the way, it's December 2nd. Don't know when this video will go up because I have one video that I'm finishing editing and then another video that I have to start editing, which means that this is the third one. But I need to hurry because I need you guys to see this video before freaking December ends. Here goes nothing. I got this tree at Walmart, so if you like it, I got it at Walmart for $80. There was a bunch of different trees that they had, but I felt that, and they also had them displayed, and I felt that this one was the nicest one for the price. I didn't initially want to get a flocked tree, which is like frosted tree, but like I said, it ended up looking nicer than any of the other ones that I saw. I hope this doesn't make a mess. Now, I should know how to do this because the one that we put up at my job every year seems to be the same structure as this, so it should be pretty self-explanatory. And I didn't get a tree skirt just because se me pasó, like I was supposed to, and then I didn't end up grabbing it on time, so it was like sold out. These are the famous ornaments that I stole, borrowed. morning, everybody. You guys just watched me wash dishes. I'm thinking I'm gonna take down my fall decor finally. Like, I have my tree up and I still have pumpkins up from fall. I'm just gonna put all of that away, and I do have a little Christmas parade that I'm gonna try to make it to with my mans a little bit later. Voy a aprovechar para limpiar. I still haven't unpacked. Honestly, you guys, this week I've just been like really lazy, really just going with the flow, not really rushing anything. So I'm just gonna keep going with the flow and a ver qué alcanzo a hacer. I honestly woke up really early this morning. I woke up at a little bit after 7:30, and it's 10:38, and I've already had breakfast. I've already wiped down the table that I'm sitting on right now, wiped down all the counters. I did all the dishes. Let me show you guys the status of my kitchen here. I have a little plant here that I'm watering, and then wiped all of this down. This I think I'm gonna get rid of today, and I'm possibly gonna end up putting my coffee maker right here, which right now it's sitting over there really lonely. And then that's just random boxes. That tote contains things that I have to go and donate. And then my cute little tree. But I was planning to see if I could make it down to the outlets to see if there's any sales that I could take advantage of for Christmas. Oh my god, you guys. I love gifting, don't get me wrong, but it gets so stressful. And the thing is that, like, growing up, like, no había dinero para eso. So we didn't really grow up getting too many gifts. And aparte de eso, like, we were never, like, it was never about the gifts, but it is nice to know that someone thought of you during this time of year and gift you something. So it's really nice and sweet, but it gets a little stressful. And so I don't know if I'll be able to do that today. If not, I'll maybe do it tomorrow. But for now, I'm gonna find something that I can store my decor in, and then we'll go from there. Can't believe that I'm already putting all of this stuff away. Like, what? Let's see. I don't have anything to wrap stuff in, but let me bring everything that I have around the house that's fall. I'm gonna bring it over here so I can figure out how I'm gonna store it. We don't have too much, honestly. If you guys remember, it was just these two corners over here in the kitchen, a few little pumpkins scattered around. I don't know if the paintings can stay there. What should I do? It smells so good. I love fall. Ooh, I could put this one in a corner. I'm gonna need these for my coffee stuff, so I'm gonna leave it out. Air fresheners. Pumpkin that I never used. So. I think that's it. That's all I got. So for this little corner, I'm gonna take away this painting that I have. I put up my candle warmer that I haven't used yet, and then I'm just leaving this candle that I had out for fall. It smells so yummy. I didn't burn it, but I wish you guys could smell. It smells like apples. Oh my god, so yummy. But I like it because it's like red and it's in theme, so I'm gonna leave that there. I didn't even put the little light bulb in there because I don't plan to light it. So this is also gonna go in there for now. And then what else do I have? I think I can still use this for like any fruit and stuff. This can stay out here. And then I think I'm gonna set up my Keurig right in this corner. I already have this white chocolate syrup that I got from, I think it was Marshall's, for about $8. The reason why I'm setting up my coffee in this corner here is because that corner over there was supposed to be like my coffee area, But as of now, I haven't found a little mesita to go like in that area. So until that happens, I'm just gonna have everything in this little corner, and then just so that I can start using my Keurig, because my friend gifted me this one for my birthday, and she doesn't live that close to me. So when I was able to make it to her house, I was able to bring it back, and it's been since October. My birthday was in October, and it's already December, and I haven't had time to use it yet. So I'm gonna put this up right now because I'm excited. Oh, and then for that, I bought these K-Cups. They're the Cinnamon Dolce. They were on sale at Target. So I decided to try this flavor out, and it has 22 pods. So just divide that by like what coffee now is like $8 for the one that I usually get. So clutch. Love that. And this is the coffee maker that I'm gonna set up. So it's the Keurig K-Cafe Essentials. You can make coffee, lattes, cappuccinos. It has a built-in frother, so that's really nice. I've never used that, so we'll have to figure that out. And then you can use pretty much any K-cup with this, or like, you know, any coffee pod, which it shows you right there. So I'm excited. This is just soap and water to clean it. I'm gonna follow the instructions in order to make a latte, my ever first latte, because I really want to try the frother and learn how to use it, and then maybe later in the day we'll try a little iced coffee, who knows. I'm gonna take this mug, it's very cutesy, very Christmas vibes, and look how pretty it is. I'm gonna clean the frother, clean up here, put the decor away, and then see what's next to do on our little to-do list. I have decided that I'm gonna put my coffee pods right here because, quite frankly, I don't buy fruit to put on this little fruit or whatever the hell it's called. So I'm just gonna do this. And maybe it doesn't look as aesthetic as I would want, but I really don't care. It's my house, I can do what I want. Oh yeah, baby. At work we use Pike Place, also from Starbucks, but we get it delivered. So love that for us. Actually, this looks a lot nicer than when we first just jumbled it in here. So I like that. I'm just gonna put that next to the coffee maker, and I'm gonna bring it a little bit forward just because I feel like I want to be able to have access to the numbers here, to the settings. This is going to the garbage. This, honestly, I think I'm gonna, should I put it back there? No, I'm gonna put it right here. Honestly, that looks cute, right? I like it. I like the vibes. Something very simple, very cute, with the pods right next to it. I'm just cleaning out the frother right now with some water, and that's as good as it's gonna get for now, okay? And I love it. It's very cute. Thank you, bestie, if you ever watch this. Love you. Best present ever, okay? Period.
We're in my room now. Vamos a arreglar todo el desmadre que hay aquí. I'm gonna start unpacking finally. We're in a different camera too because my other one, this Sony one, like, las baterías valen madre. I don't know what is wrong with it, but I bought extra batteries on Amazon when I first bought this camera because nomás traía una, is like the original one, and it would die like hella quick. So I bought backup ones, and then those backup ones como que they're like, se están como descomponiendo, I don't know, but they're not really charging. But anyways, I'm on my Canon and we're gonna unpack. And I have Julio and Alvarez playing in the background right now. Well, not right now because I stopped it so that I don't get copyright, but that's what we're vibing to, okay? And I don't know, bro, this camera's making me look sick. What is this? It'll have to do. It'll do, it'll do.
Tuvimos hermosos días, también es probable que te cuente que frecuento los lugares de quedarme callado y les digo a esa persona.
I'm taking all the clothes that I had left out just in case I needed it for my last trip. They're like more summery clothes. So I'm just gonna take everything that's remaining and then throw it in the suitcase for next spring and summer.
Estoy separando la ropa sucia entre colores because hoy no voy a lavar, okay? Not today. But I'm gonna get everything ready for when I do, which maybe tomorrow I will, but after this I just want to vacuum my room and then after that I can shower, but I just want to get all of this ready for when I get to do laundry, which will hopefully be tomorrow, but I got things to do today, okay? And also, you guys, I haven't told you, but I'm going sober another 3 weeks, I think it is. Ever since I came back from Mexico, I told myself that I'm not going to drink until pretty much Christmas. So that's a little goal that I have for myself. Just because, I don't know, it's just a little cleanse is always necessary. I go through these phases. Also, I have winding strips on. I go through these phases where I drink a lot, like pretty, I don't know, like let's say the whole weekend, and then like I don't feel guilty, but I always end up wanting to do like a little cleanse. Mexico was different because it was like a whole week and we weren't obviously drinking every day that we were over there, but pretty much every other day. And you know, it's gonna catch up to me. Like I felt my face getting a little puffy, and I don't know, ya les conté, like I finished my cleanse pretty much, no, my little fasting week yesterday. I had a freaking fat ice cream sandwich yesterday too to celebrate, but I just wanted to, you know, give my body a little break from all the chucherias, all the beer. I think next week I'll be a little bit like easier on myself when it comes to like my meals and stuff. Not so much fasting, but I'll just be a little lighter with, you know, make sure that I'm eating good foods and stuff like that. But yeah, we completed the 1 week cleanse, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, honestly. Guys, estaba peleando con esta cámara for the longest time, and I need to get ready. So, ya que terminé de limpiar, había quedado with my mans that we were gonna go downtown to see a Christmas parade, like Christmas tractor parade that we're having. But he's working, so thankfully my friend ended up inviting me out for dinner and drinks. I replied really late to her though, because you guys saw I was hauling ass cleaning all day, and so by the time that I replied to her, she had other plans, but she said that she could still make it to like drinks, which I had just told you guys that I was gonna be sober, but it is what it is. Let me do the bottom a little bit. I usually tweeze the bottom part, but we don't got time today. You guys, tell me if it looks good. I had it up in a bun earlier, as you guys saw. So, I don't know if there's like weird marks on it or not, but it's gonna have to do. My Queenies was just here. Her and my brother, they ended up heading out. Thankfully, they're like right around the corner. They like where they're set up to watch the parade. So let me just do my makeup hella quick. I was thinking to just go without makeup, but no, like I need to get my face together. And I have, let's say like 15 minutes, because by the time the parade gets to where we're at, I should have enough time to finish getting ready. So I'm gonna take putty primer. For foundation, I've been trying out it's a Huda Beauty faux filter, or cuál es? I got the sample, Huda Beauty Easy Blur, and I've been applying it with my Morphe M439 brush. I bought that brush so long ago because, like, I don't know, everyone used to put their foundation on with brushes, and then the beauty blender started, and then I don't know, my makeup has never looked right with like brushes, so I never really tried it again after I tried the beauty blender. But now that I tried it with this foundation, it looks really good. And then you guys will see I go over it with the beauty blender after, just to kind of melt everything down. But for the most part, I do like this foundation. Oh my god, my freaking battery, dude, it's already like dying, and I haven't been recording on it too much. But like the charger that I'm charging them with, which is the one that they came with, I feel like it's like stopped working because it's not really charging them correctly or like fully. Whatever, I'm just gonna record until it stops, making sure that I'm not really like rubbing because I really want the coverage. I think I talked too soon. The foundation is not really doing it for me. I hate when I have to rush because that's usually when my makeup starts looking a little off. Whatever, it'll have to do. I'm gonna do some concealer. I miss my Shape Tape, but I'll probably repurchase it after this one because this one is not it. I don't know, I don't really like it.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing.
You guys, it is the next morning. I didn't wear makeup today because I was just feeling like the straight hair and like no makeup look. I feel like whenever my hair is like straightened, I feel like a bad bitch without makeup. And this camera blurs my skin, and don't even think that my skin is like as good as it's looking, okay? I'm wearing the same outfit that I wore last night to the little tractor parade. Because why not? Like, nomás lo usé por un ratito, and like I didn't end up going out last night, you guys. Ya se hizo tarde and I got lazy and I was like, you know what, I'd rather stay in. So I stayed in. I'm currently out at the outlets because I want to start my Christmas shopping. It's December 8th as we speak, so I want to get, you know, at least a few people out of the way, because normally I do this really last minute, but today I was like, you know what, I don't want to do laundry. I'd rather just go out, have a little day to myself, and just do all of that. So that's what we're gonna do. And I have a list of things that I have to get. Hopefully none of that is for me, because I always tend to like get something for myself when I am out shopping for other people. But we're gonna make it a priority to only shop for other people, okay? That's why we're here. So that's what we're gonna do. I think our first store is gonna be Ulta, then I'm gonna go to Old Navy, and then I have to go by what is it called, the electronics store? Not Home Depot. I always want to say Home Depot. Best Buy, because I need new batteries for this thing, okay? And possibly a new ¿cómo se dice? SD card, because all the ones that I have are full, because I have not edited and yet I keep recording. I don't know how much I'll record on my phone, because I'm not gonna take my camera anywhere like in there. I'm shy, I'm scared, but that's what we're doing. Let's go. Honestly, you guys, I got a really good deal at Ulta. They were having a 20% off. The perfume itself, or cologne itself, that I bought was $150, and I bought a bunch of other things, and my total was $160 because there was a 20% off coupon that I used. So I spent $160 in total for everything, which was really good. Honestly, I'm happy. I'm heading home, you guys. I didn't do all the shopping that I wanted to do, but I'm gonna cut my trip short because I'm tired.